Hey y'all, so today's video is gonna be me filling these 8-ounce jars up with my gloss base. So I'm gonna be having all my glosses in these jars. You can get them and fill your own tubes up. So that's basically what these are for. If you have your own tubes and you don't want to do like the regular wholesale, you can get these jars for wholesale. This is 8 ounce and it will fill 25 to 30 tubes depending on the tube size. I have 6 colors, so it works out perfect. So these ones, I'm gonna make sure they're scented and everything and they have the oils, and then the other ones, I think I'm gonna leave them unscented and I don't think I'm gonna have oils. I don't know, because the person may want to put their own scent and their own oils in. So I think I'm gonna do that. So these ones are gonna be scented and have the oils, and the other ones are gonna be unscented and no oils. So you can choose which one you want. So the good thing about this is I already have some gloss made up. So this one is watermelon scented. So I'm just gonna open it up. Y'all, this smells so good. Like so good. And it already has the oils in it, which is castor oil and grapeseed oil. When y'all see this video, they'll probably already be up on the site. So I'm just gonna pour them into the jar. And look at that consistency. A nice consistency. Real nice, okay? So you know you're getting some good quality gloss. So this is 6.1 ounces. So we gotta add a little bit more to get to 8. The clear gloss is done. Nice and filled. I just gotta clean around it. All right, so now we're moving on to Boss Bae. And this is how she looks. I gotta mix her up. She is grape scented. It smells so good. I think I have way more than 8 ounces in here. But yeah, I hope that people purchase these. It'll definitely be good for the people that have their own tubes. I have had a couple people DM me and they were like that they like my pigments, my colors and stuff, my gloss colors, but they were like they have their own tube. So they asked me if I would do jars or pouches. So I was like, you know what, I think I can do that for you. So that's what I'm doing. The gloss jars. Let's see. Real good consistency. Smooth, good oils. And it looks so pretty. Yeah, y'all think these are gonna sell. I definitely think these are gonna sell. I gotta order some more. I only ordered 12 of these. I don't like to order a lot until I know that it's gonna do good. All right, so the next one is for Keats. And this one is pineapple scented. Smells so good. And it's so pretty. Pink with gold glitter. Real pretty, real cute. All right, y'all, so it's the next day. I thought I was gonna be able to finish last night, but your girl got tired, so I went to sleep. Right here is Sunkiss, and this one is gonna be lemonade scented. Smells so good. I got 7.4 ounces, so we use a little bit more. And boom, we're done. We're done with the Sunkiss. Now we have 2 more to fill up. And this right here is Sunkiss. All right, y'all, so I'm finally back with the last 2. I think it's like 2 days later, I don't know, but I've been doing other stuff, getting my website together. It is now up, so make sure y'all go check out my new website, Sha'Nayasbeautybar.com. I bought myself a domain, so it's officially mine. The link will be in the description box. So this one right here is Obsessed, and it is strawberry scented, and then it is cotton candy scented. So this is how she looks, a pretty golden color. This is Gold Digger, G-O-A-L, Gold Digger, not gold, gold. Because when people be doing wholesale orders, they put Gold Digger. That's not the name. That's not the name, sis. Super pretty. So it has pink glitters in it, pink and silver glitters. It's so pretty. So y'all, I am officially done with the gloss jars. Now I'm gonna just open them all back up so y'all can see how they look one more time. I hope that you guys are enjoying this little video. It's actually pretty long. Hope y'all are enjoying this video. If you are, make sure you hit the like button And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe for more business videos. And when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can definitely find me on my business Instagram. I'm always up there. So these are the 6 colors that we're currently offering for the gloss jar. I guess you could say gloss jar wholesale. So yeah, I am gonna have these ones as scented, and then I'm gonna have another set just like this, but they're gonna be unscented, and they're not gonna come with oil for the people that want to add their own oils. Maybe you're allergic to the oils that I use or something, or you just don't use those ones. You want to use the ones that you have, and then maybe you want a different scent. So I have some that are just no scent and no oil, and you can get those, add your own stuff, or if you want to use my oils, my scents, then you can buy these. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Make sure I go check out my new website. It's so pretty. I worked really hard on it.